Welcome back to Home Decor. Ever glanced at a discarded tire, some old pebbles, or a fallen log and wondered, what could I create with these? In today's video, we are transforming everyday yard scraps, tires, pebbles, cycle parts, logs into stunning eco-friendly garden art you will want to show off. So grab your paintbrush, get ready to upcycle, and let's make your garden the talk of the neighborhood. First, let's breathe new life into old tires. These heavy duty rings are DIY gold, versatile, durable, and eye catching. Stake 2 or 3 tires painted in a rainbow of colors, then fill each level with flowers or herbs for a vertical, space saving masterpiece. Great for small gardens or balconies. Give your tire a playful twist, add a fox handle, paint it like a giant teacup, and cram it full of blooms for whimsy overload. Bright red with black polka dots, instantly adorable. Add eyes and antenna for extra charm. Kids and adults will adore it. Cut and shape tires into frogs, rabbits, or even a cheerful bear. Paint them vibrant greens or playful pastels. They make perfect garden mascots. Line a large tire to create a mini pond, add aquatic plants or fish, surrounded it with stones, and enjoy the serene focal point. Next up, pebbles. These small stones add texture, color, and a natural touch, often overlooked yet endlessly creative. Arrange colorful stones in flower shapes, spirals, or garden courts along a pathway or in a planter. Simple, durable, and oh so pretty. Create whimsical walkways inside a tire planter. Tiny paper trails guiding fairy figure, magical for kids and a delight for all ages. Don't toss those old bike parts, turn them into garden art that pedals your creativity forward. Paint bicycle wheels in bright colors and mount them as oversized flower sculptures on fences or garden walls. Cheerful and kinetic. We'll weave colors into the spokes to create hypnotic mandala patterns. They serve as art pieces and conversation starters, adding motion and colors to still garden spaces. Raw logs and branches hold endless possibilities for rustic earthy charm. Hollow out tree stumps or logs to create tiny fairy homes or bird hideouts. Add miniature doors, moss, mushrooms, and lanterns. Lay logs in a pyramid or spiral. Fill gaps with soil and succulents. Create organic garden sculptures that bloom. Paint motifs, carve simple designs, or layer logs as rustic pedestals for potted plants or whimsical characters. Now, let's mix these ideas and add a seasonal spin. Line a flower bed with half-buried painted tiles filled with pebbles and succulents, striking and functional. Frame a garden path with bent cycle frames, overlaid with intertwined logs, flowers, and pine-clad pebbles mosaics. In winter, fill tire planters with pine cones, fairy lights, or seasonal foliage. Pebble mosaic. Decorate with fall leaves, log crafts topped with candles, or a scarecrow's hat. Sustainable and ever-changing. Gardening and spending time in green spaces can significantly reduce stress and anxiety, enhance mood, and improve mental clarity. A garden that's uniquely designed becomes a retreat, a peaceful escape where you can relax, reflect, and recharge amid beauty. Beautiful gardens do more than look good, they support local wildlife, improve air quality, reduce erosion, and even filter water. Gardens inspire creativity, encourage exploration, and mindfulness, and can foster social bonds when shared with friends, family, or neighbors. A well designed garden can boost your home's value and curb appeal, making your property stand out. Add fragrant plants like lavender or rosemary, textured foliage, thin lamps, air, wind chimes, or small water features to engage all five senses. Use color thoughtfully. Blue and greens for calm, purples for rest and creativity, and yellows, oranges for energy and joy. Even small containers or balcony gardens can benefit from this approach. Combine ornamental plants with herbs, edible flowers, vegetables, or fruit bushes so your garden is both stunning and functional. Create distinct areas, a cozy reading nook with seating, a meditation path with stepping stones, or a play DIY crafting corner so your garden feels layered and purposeful. Introduce bird feeders, butterfly attracting flowers, or a small water features to invite birds and beneficial insects.